How to add friends on Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open your Monopoly Go app. Here we go. Make sure you have already signed into your Monopoly Go account. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Hit towards this option of friends given at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now different options will pop up as add friends, timeline and leaderboard. You have to hit towards this option of add friends. Under that you can find the option of contacts and invite. You can use contacts or this invite option to add friends on your Monopoly Go. Firstly hit towards this option of contacts, tap on it. Connect your phone's contact list with Monopoly Go to know who's playing. Tap on add contacts. Now over here you will need to type in your phone number and then tap on continue. With that you will be able to find those contacts that are using Monopoly Go and you can easily add them as your friends. Likewise, go back. Now tap on this option of invite. Here you will get two options. Tap on this first option, invite. Now you can send Monopoly Go invitation link using URDrop, messages, Instagram, Snapchat and other options that are provided over here. Now hit back, tap on this second option, invite. This will directly lead you to your messenger or friend list. You can send Monopoly Go invitation link just by tapping on the option of send. Here I will be sending to this one friend. This way you can easily invite friends on your Monopoly and after they accept your invitation, you can easily be friends on Monopoly Go. Over here you can find this suggested section. From here you can easily add friend. You can just tap on the option of add. In this way, you have just sent the friend request and after that person accept your friend request, you will be friends on Monopoly Go. This is how you can add friends on Monopoly Go. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.